This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Patty Muff. Looking for that perfect North Naples single-family home? Check out the bright and open floor plan this charming home has to offer. Low-maintenance tiled flooring throughout and vaulted ceilings lead to a lovely, southern exposure lake view. Water views visible from the living room, extended lanai and primary bedroom help create a sense of relaxation and tranquility. Located in amenity-rich Sterling Oaks, this inviting home would make a lovely primary residence or seasonal escape. 2020 roof and 2019 garage door/impact windows. Location and LT, then an 8-minute drive to Barefoot/Bonita Beach, Mercato shopping and an LT, 30 minutes to the RSW airport. Live the country club life west/a junior Olympic saltwater pool, hot tub and outside cabana. There is a superb fitness center, multipurpose room and sauna for you to enjoy as well. The newly renovated clubhouse is an engaging place to enjoy a Friday evening dinner. Tennis anyone? Pickleball? Bocce? Sterling Oaks has you covered. Optional tennis on 12 Tru Harcourt lighted courts west/an onsite USTA Pro. Immerse yourself in nature while walking among the well-landscaped areas in this active, pet-friendly community. A nature lover's paradise. Otters, turtles, birds plus. For more information, review the details below or contact Patty Muff at 239-659-2400.